Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you on how to restore old YouTube layout. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by clicking the first link and adding the extension it leads to in Google Chrome. Once the first extension is installed, proceed by clicking the second link, which will open another extension called Stylus. Add Stylus to Chrome as well. Next, click the third link. This will take you to a page filled with code, but don't worry. You only need to click the Install button on the left side of the page. After that, move on to the fourth link, which also opens a page with code. Click the Install Style option on this page. After completing these steps, return to YouTube and refresh the page to see the changes. If you encounter an issue where certain elements are still visible in full screen mode, you'll need to take an additional step. Click the fifth link to add another extension to your browser. Finally, go to your extensions and open Unblock Origin, which you've just added. Find the settings icon and click on it. Navigate to the My Filters section, select the first line, and paste the code provided in step 6 of the video description. Apply the changes, and this should remove any unwanted bars or elements when watching videos in full screen. This process will help you revert to the old YouTube layout if you prefer it over the new one. Thanks for watching and see you soon. So that's basically how to restore old YouTube layout. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.